So join is a method to retrieve data from two or more tables. Do you remember, guys? Join is a method to retrieve data from two or more tables based on what? Based on a
common column.
Common column. Do you remember this? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Common column means what?
Data is same, different column name.
No. Column name can be different. Column name is different. No, column name can be different.
Sorry.
Common column means data in the columns should be same. Column name can be different. Data in the columns should be same. Column name can be different. Fine. There are many types of join. One is what? Equi join, or also called as inner join. Then there is something called as what, guys? Self join. Then there is something called as outer join, which is further divided into three. Which are the three? Left outer join, right outer join, and what, guys? Full outer join. Fine. And lastly, we learned something called as Cartesian joint. Some people are now using non-equi joint. That also we will learn. One by one we will learn. We started with equi joint or inner joint. What is equi joint or inner joint? It displays the matching record between the tables. Wherever the data are matching, it will just display the record. What is the syntax? Two syntax I told you. Do you remember that? Select star from table 1, comma table 2. Okay. Now select star from table 1, comma table 2, where table 1 dot column 1 equals to what? Table 2 dot column 2. This is one way. Another way, what is the syntax? Do you remember that? Using ANSI method, this is equal method. Using ANSI method, select star from table 1, join what? Table 2. On what, guys? On what? Can you just tell me on what? Table 1 dot column 1 equals to what, guys? Table 2 dot column 2. Fine. These are the two ways we can join the table. So what is the difference? Instead of comma, what we have given? Can you just tell me? Join. And instead of where, what we have given here? On. Are you able to understand?
Yeah.
So I told you we can also use table name or alias name. So what is the syntax to use the alias name? Do you remember that? Select star from emp a, comma dpt b. Then what I will do? Where a dot department number equals to what, guys? B dot
department number.
This is one way. What is the other way? Select star from emp a. Join what, guys? Can you just tell me? dpt emp a. You have to give space. emp a. Join what, guys? Can you just tell me? dpt b. On what, guys? A dot department number equals to B dot department number. This is one way of joining. Okay, fine. What is the other way? Can you just tell me? Yes, guys. This is today's notes 2709. These two methods we saw, we studied, we executed. So this is the equi join. So wherever the data were matching, we are just equating, and wherever the data match, the records get added there. So now, guys, if there are more than 2 tables, then what we will do? Today we'll learn if more than 2 tables are there, then what will happen? We'll join all the 3 tables. Suppose select star from EMP A, DPT B, comma salary.
Vikram, just I have a question. In the first syntax yesterday, what we have learned, select star from T1, comma T2. Join, we are missing join there or
Where?
the first one?
This is one way, no? Instead of join, we write comma.
So we're not missing join there. Just
No. This is method 1. Method 1 is using comma. Method 2 is using what?
Okay.
Full name.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Okay.
There are 2 methods. One is 1, one is second method 2. Are you able to understand?
Okay.
Now, if there are more than 2 tables, suppose 3 tables, then what will be the query? Select star from EMP A, DPT B, and there's a table cell grade. Cell grade C. I will join where A dot department number equals to what? B dot department number. If I want to join A table to C table again, what I will write? A dot department number equals to what, guys? C dot department number. So what is happening here? See that join condition you have to see very carefully. Here what we are doing with this A table, we are joining to B table. This is the first condition. Second condition tells we are joining this A table to the C table. So A dot department number equals to C dot department number. Am I clear, guys? Still here? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts? Annu, Rahul?
I just need a little. Can you please repeat that one, Vikram? Thank you.
Now there are 3 tables. Okay, can you just tell me the name of the tables? One table is A. Okay, it is having a column, suppose department number. One table is B. It is again having a column called as department number. One table is C. Is also having a column called as department number. Now we have to join how many tables? 3 tables. So what we will write? A comma B comma C. Yes or no? Now I have to join. How can I join? I can join this A table to B table. Yes or no? Yes. How it is joined? A dot department number. The table name is A. From there, this column department number. We are joining to the table B, where the column is department number. This is first join. Next join is what? I am joining this A table to which table? C table. How we are joining? A dot department number equals to what? C dot department table. The C dot department number. That means C table department number column. Am I clear? Tell me yes or no.
So EMPA means A is the alias name, yeah? Department. Yes. Okay.
So alias name is what? Now the table name of EMP is changed to what? A. Department table name is changed to B. Cell grade table name is changed to C. Ask. Any more question? Okay, so like
whenever we are using multiple tables, we must follow the alliance, giving
don't follow, then put the table name. Do you remember that?
Yeah, it's really okay. In reality, it's if it is a big name, then we generally use
always use alias name. Else what will happen? I told you one more way. Do you remember that? If I don't use the table name, what will happen? How will be the query looking? Select star from EMP, comma what? DPT, comma what? Cell grade. Now what will happen? Can you just tell me where? EMP dot department number equals to what? Can you just tell me? DPT dot department number. And can you just tell me the condition? EMP dot department number equals to what? Cell grade dot
department number.
Ask. Any more question?
Yep.
Anything? Rahul, did you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Regarding that one, in the first line we are just renaming the tables,
Yes, yes.
and in the using where clause we are just equating them, right?
Yes, yes. We are actually, this is the join. This is the join. Let me open Paint. So guys, yeah, let me just paste it. Are you guys using snipping tool? Yes or no?
Yeah, we do.
To take the screenshot, it's a very simple tool. Okay, so just paste it here. So now, let us see now. Let me just make it big. Okay. So now, guys, I'll take an indicator to make it more clear. Now, in this table, guys, which is the joining condition? Can you just tell me? This is the joining condition. Which, let me just take a proper color. Okay, wait. Let me take red color. Okay. Yes. Now it is properly visible. So in this table, which is the joining condition? This is the joining condition. In this table, which is the joining condition? This is the joining condition. In this table, which is the joining condition? Can you tell me, Anu? Which is the joining condition? A dot department number equals to B dot department number. Which are the tables? Can you just tell me? How? Which are the tables? EMP and
department.
So how many tables are there?
Here 3 tables.
No, here in this.
Sorry,
in this
two
tables. How many joins are there?
Only one.
One join. Fine. Similarly, now see here. How many tables are there for this query?
3.
How many joins are there?
Where clause?
Yeah. How many joins are there? Rahul, how many joins are there?
2.
2 joins are there. Which are the join? This is one join.
Where and
there is one more join, which is this one. This is this one join. Yes or no, guys?
Okay, yeah.
So how many joins are there if there are 3 tables?
2
joins. So fine.
Sir,
now tell me.
the same one.
Yeah.
Then the same query after that and A dot department number, can we equal that to the second table? It will return the same values, right?
Second table, yes, you can equate, but that time the join will be what? Here, what is happening? A table, I am joining to which table? B table.
B.
And again, this A table only, I am joining to which table? C
C.
table. Yes or no?
Yes.
But your question is, A table can be joined to B table, fine. And B table can be joined to which table? C table. Yes or no?
Yes.
But it depends. No, if the values in the B table and C table is different, then the result will not be same, right? If the values are not same, then it will not be equal. Let me just show you again with another example so that you can understand what is the value thing I want to say. So let us consider this table. This is EMP table. Okay, it's having a column department number. The department numbers are 10, 20. Okay, like that. The values here is so many values are there. 10, 11, 20, 13, 14, 15, 16. Fine. Now this is a department table. Department table is also having a column called as department number. Here the values are 10. Till here the values are till 14. Fine, guys. Now there is a table called as sal grade. Now here also a column is there, department number. Here also values are there, 10, and it is still 15. Fine, guys. Now see this query. Where is that? Yeah. Now tell me the outputs. Now guys, if I am using this particular query, which is joined to which table? Can you just tell me? Anu, which table is getting joined to which table? Can you just tell me this query? A table is getting joined to which table?
Is join B table and A table is joining with C table.
C table. Fine, fine. So what will be the output if A table, considering this as A table, this as B table, this as C table. Now A table is joined to B table. So what will be the output? Can you just tell me?
10, 11, 12, 13,
10,
14.
and then here also it will come 10. Yes or no? Wherever it is matching. Then what will come? Can you just tell me the output? Till where?
Then until 14.
Oh, excellent, excellent, guys. You are understanding little bit. Fine. Let me just delete it. Let me just make it. So what is the output, guys, when I have joined A table to B table? This is the output. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yeah.
Now I'm joining this A table to C table. This is the C table. Okay. A table to C table. What will be the output? Can you just tell me?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Till what, guys? 15. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What happened, Rahul?
So that's when, yes, sir, that's when B is joined with C, right?
Yeah, I'm coming to your answer. Just give me just 1 second. Now what is happening, guys? A table is joined to B table. A table is joined to C table. This is the output. Now see, the difference is what? Now I'm coming to your thing. Okay. Now what is happening, guys, is join. Now what I'm doing, A table is joined to B table. Okay. So what is the output? This is the output. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. A table is joined to B table. This is the output. Now A table, B table is joined to C table. What will be the output?
Until 14, 10 to 14.
Until 14. That means, guys, what will be the output? This will be the output. Yes or no?
Yeah, same.
So is the output different or not?
Yes.
Are you able to understand, Rahul? Tell me yes or no. See, this is the output when what happens? A is joined to what? B.
B.
This is the output when A is joined to what?
C.
C. Now, guys, this is the output when A is joined to what? B. Now, this is the output when? And B is joined to what, guys? C.
C.
So, outputs are different or not?
Yes, sir. So does that mean the lower number of values, the table with the lower entries will be considered?
No, you cannot generalize that. It depends on the value, right? If it is having more number of values, then what will happen? It depends on the data which are present in the table. So A table joined to B, A table joined to C is not equal to A table is joined to B and B table is joined to C. It can be equal, it cannot be equal. It depends on the data of the table. Are you able to understand? Yes. It depends on what kind of data that particular table, that particular column has. If it is the same, it's fine. At that time, the joining of A to B and B to C or A to C will be equal. But if the data are different, then joining A to B and B to C or A to C, everything will depend on the data of the table, wherever the data is matching. Am I clear till here this much? Guys, tell me yes or no?
Yeah.
Fine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the same note, like if we change the initially instead of using A table, if we use join B to A, like does that change the results as well?
B to A to B, what will be the difference? Tell me. It will not be any different, right? Because it depends on the data. Now see, this is A table is joined to B table, okay? Now, if I join B table joined to A table. Tell me guys, what will be the output? It will be the same like A joined to B. Yes or no? Because the data are same. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
What
yes.
will be the output? B joined to A. This will be the output. Yes or no, guys? It depends on the
Yes, yes.
data, right? A joined
Yes,
to
sir.
B.
So and what happens to those remaining two entries, sir? 15 and 16.
The remaining will not be joined. It will not be shown. Only this data will be shown. Wherever the data is matching, okay, that particular portion will be joined. Wherever the
Yes,
data
sir,
is
got
not
it.
matching, it will not be shown. It is not shown, right? 15, 16 is here. It is not shown. Is it shown? Yes or no? No. In the output,
No.
is it shown? No. The output will not be shown. It is joining is happening based on the data. Wherever the data is matching, just add it. That is what is joining.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear. Got it.
Ask anything. Clarify your doubts. No problem, guys. More than 100 sites, books, more than 10,000 queries I would have written my own book, and I don't know how many countless projects. So ask any doubts from anywhere in this world you ask. Am I clear, guys, till here? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So if you are clear, guys, so where was I? Here. Fine, let us bring this diagram. So if there are 3 tables, what is the join, guys? 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if there is a 4 table, the minimum number of join will be 3. Minimum number of join will be how many, guys? 3.
3.
If there are 5 tables, minimum number of join will be how many?
4.
4. So if there are 100 tables, minimum number of joins will be how many, guys? Can you just guess?
99.
99. So if there are n tables, minimum number of join will be how many? Can you just guess?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. This is a very, very important one. Okay, this is n minus 1. Okay, fine. So that means, guys, what is what? Let us just write down a point. What we are going to write? If there are n tables, minimum join will be what, guys?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yes. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
This is equi join or inner join. It displays the matching record between the tables. Wherever the data is matching, it will just display the record. Fine, guys. Equi join, inner join is closed. Next, self.
Sir, also on the same note, like when we are joining more than 2 tables,
Yeah.
we are using this where clause, right? In the second line here.
Yeah. Where?
So where A dot department number is equal to B dot department number. Can we use in the same line another equal to sign and use the C dot department number as well?
What is your question? Suppose this is the 3 table. What do you want to do here?
So
using
just go to the upper query, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
On the second line, where A dot department number is equal to B dot department number. In the same line, if you use C dot department number and remove the next line, that is and.
No. You have to use this and operator always. You cannot put your own syntax. After where is only one condition, and then you have to use and or you have to use or. Okay? You have to use and or you have to use or. Any doubts, guys? Fine. This is fine, guys. This simple joins. Now I think you can explain it. Okay. Fine. You can use this method also, join method. Okay. Okay. You can use this method also, join method also. This is very easy, guys. Using join method, suppose select a star from EMP A. Then I have to join which guy? EMP A. Join what? DPT B. Okay. on A dot department number equals to B dot department number, then join which table I want to join. Suppose I want to join cell grade. So cell grade C on what I have to write? A table I want to join. A dot department number equals to C dot department number. So anyways, you can use that's completely fine. So this is how the things goes, guys. Now I want to come to a next topic, fresh topic, self join. Let us come to self join. What is self join? Joining a table to itself is called a self join. Joining a table to itself is called a self join. Let us just understand, guys. That means there is only one table. Okay. Suppose I take a table, EMP table. So let me just take out EMP table. First, I will go with the theoretical portions. Then I will go to the execution. Anu was also telling, sir, please tell me first the theory things. I thought to first tell you the theory things, then we'll go to the execution. So this is the EMP table. Fine. Now see here EMP table. Now in this EMP table, guys, if you see carefully, I want the employee and the respective manager. I want employee and this respective manager. That means this manager of Smith is who? Can you just tell me? Is 7902. And who is 7902 based on the employee number? What is 7902? It is Ford. That means who is the manager of Smith? Can you just tell me?
Ford.
Smith manager is Ford. Excellent, guys. Excellent. So all the information is in the one table. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
So how to do that?
Self join.
Self join. That means all the information is in the same table, and the joining the table to itself is called as what, guys? Self join. That means how we will join? We have to join what? This manager column and this employee number column. So what we need one more table. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Let us just produce one more table. Fine. This is one more table. Let us just put it here. Yeah. Let me just put it with more clarity. Yes, guys. Now it's very clear. There are two tables. Now, if I want to go get this manager of Smith, what I will do? This MGR column I will equate to ename column. Manager will be equated to ename. Manager 7902, 7902, Ford. Manager of Smith is what? Ford. Manager of Allen. Who is the manager of Allen? Can you guess? No.
7698.
And who is 7698? Can you just
Blake.
see here?
Blake.
This one, Blake. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So who is manager of Allen? It's Blake. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Like that, guys, if we want to join a table to itself is called a self join. To do this, what we will do, we'll use alias names. How we'll write? How we will write? We have a table EMP. So what I will write? Select star from EMP A. And again, I have to join the same table. So I will take EMP B. Are you able to understand? It's having the same record and everything. His name is A. Is having the same record and column. His name is B. Now what I will do? Select star from EMP A, EMP B. Where what I have to do, guys? A dot what, guys? MGR equals to what?
Okay.
B dot employee number. This is very important query, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Very important query. Every interview, they will ask employee and their respective manager. Employee and their what, guys? Respective manager. If I want only the names, how can I get? Can you just try? If I want only the names, what is the query? Can you just tell me? Select
star from
A
EMP.
dot ename. This is what, guys? Employee. Comma, what, guys? Can you just tell me? B dot ename. This is again employee. From what, guys? This is not employee. This is the manager. This is what, guys? Manager. Manager. From what, guys? Can you just tell me? EMP A, comma EMP B. Where what, guys? Can you just tell me? A dot MGR equals to what? B dot what, guys?
Manager.
Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yeah, tell me. Any doubts?
So
Fine,
in
guys.
the second one, we are using employee and manager. So
Yes. Let us execute this query. Shall I execute now, guys? Yes or no? So that it will give me more clarity. Yes or no?
okay.
Let us just open. Hey Rahul, you have to take the software. You just give me the mail ID. I'll give you the software and we'll start practicing. Fine.
Okay, sir.
If my laptop closes, please rejoin. Till tomorrow, I have problem with laptop. After that, it will be done. Anu, do you practice anytime?
We are not actually full occupied with work, but I'm going to start because joins is just I recollected my memory, but I didn't practice on the software.
Now, if I get this error, what I will do?
Need to go to
services.
You have to go to services and restart the service. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Don't forget. Okay, just at least try to remember. Anyways, I will make you remember 10 times. Just go here, just search the Oracle. This is the 10G. Just restart. Server gets down. You have to just restart. That's all.
I think we are going very slow. So is it possible to finish the course in 1.5 week, 1.5 month?
110%.
Okay. I'm not hurry, but I'm just asking normally. Yeah.
110%. I have been teaching from 13 years. So you know what my experience would be. How many batches I would have completed.
Yeah, but I'm saying about the times. If it is more than 1.5 month, that's not a problem for me. But I'm just checking with you.
No. Main thing is you all have to understand, right?
Yeah,
fine.
true.
So finishing a syllabus, I can finish in 1 week, but person should understand, right? So employee and their respective manager. What is the query? What I have to equate? MGR number to what? Employee number, yes or no? Smith manager is what? 7902. 7902 is what? Code. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Let us just execute. What I will write? Select A dot ename. This is what? Employee, comma B dot ename. This is what? Manager.
Employee number.
From what? EMPA, comma what guys? EMP
EMP B.
B, where what? A dot MGR equals to what? B dot employee number. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. And we are not getting any data. Huh? Wait. What happened? Wait. Let me just check what is the query we have written. A dot ename, B dot ename from employee A, comma employee B, where A dot MGR. Because no, I taken EMP. My table name is not EMP. What is my table name? EMP1. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
Yes. EMP1. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Now we'll get the employee and their respective manager. Yes or no, guys? So who is the
Yes.
manager of Smith? Is it Ford? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Just I will rename this EMP1 to EMP2 to avoid this confusion. Fine, guys. This is the table EMP. Now I have to get the employee and the respective managers. Did I show the query? What is the query? Select A dot ename. This is what? Employee. Just write here employee, comma A dot ename. This is what? Manager. Write here manager from EMP A, comma EMP B. Where what, guys? A dot what? MGR equals to what? B dot
Employee.
Did I got employee and the respective manager? Who is the manager of Smith? 7902. Who is 7902? Ford. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Did you understood? Self join. Next, we'll move to Cartesian joint, guys. Outer join is there. Let us first learn outer join. Left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Have you ever heard about that things? Left, right, and full outer join?
Yes.
Left means all the records from left table and matching record from right table. Right outer join means what, guys? All the records from, let us just write down. Left outer join means what? All records from which table?
Left.
Left table. And matching records from where?
Right.
Right table. Right outer join means what, guys? All records from where?
Right.
From right table. And matching record from where?
Left.
Full outer join means what?
Maybe
all
both.
the records
from left and right.
both the tables. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So if you understood this much, guys, so let us just take this example. I have the Excel sheet, right? A and B table. If I put, let us just take the output of left outer join. What is the what will be the output of left outer join? Can you just think? This is A table, this B table. If I put a left outer join, what will be the output? All the records from which table, guys? Left table. That means all the records from which table? Left table. All these things will come. Fine. And matching record from right table. So which are the thing matching? Can you just tell me?
10 to 14.
10 to 14. And all this value wherever is not matching will be null. Will be what, guys? Null. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So tell me the output of right outer join. Rahul, are you there? Can you just tell me the output of right outer join?
Yes, sir. Until 14 and remaining 15 and 16.
Matching record from, see, all the records from which table? Right table.
14.
What are the records from right table? These are the records from right table. Matching record from which table, guys? Left table. Which is the matching records? These are the matching records till 14. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
What will be the output of full outer join? Can you just tell me full outer join?
10 to 14.
All the records from which tables? Left and right table.
Okay. So,
This will be
10
the
to
output,
16.
and what will be the output? This will be the output. And what will be happening here? Null and null. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So let us just see here, left, right, and full. Let us start executing. First, we will take a EMP table, select a star from EMP, select a star from DPT, fine. Now left outer join. How we'll write? How we will write is that first we'll learn the syntax. Nothing, just write down here, select the star from EMP and left join DPT on. What will happen, guys? If I give an alias name, let me keep the name as A. Simple, I keep A and B so that there's no confusion. B. On what will happen? A dot department number equals to B dot department number. Is it fine? Fine. Next is, guys, right outer join. Can you just tell me what will be the query? Select star from, same query. Instead of left, I will write right. EMP A, right join DPT B on what, guys? A dot department number equals to what? B dot department number. Full outer join. Select star from EMP A. Full join. What will happen? DPT B on what, guys? A dot department number equals to what? B dot
number.
That's all we have to do. Just write down. Select star from EMP A. Left join DPT B on what, guys? A dot department number equals to B dot department number. This is left join. What will happen? All the records from which table? 10, 20, 30 has been matched to 10, 20, 30, and then 40 is not displayed. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
And what will happen if I write right outer join? Can you just tell me? What will be the output? What do you think?
Right out.
This 40 will be displayed or not?
Yes.
Yes, this will be displayed, and in this place null will come. In this place, what will happen, guys? Null will come. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes. Do you remember this right outer join? What I told you, wherever the data left outer join, the data is not matching, null will come. Here, see here in the right outer join, there is an extra department. What is that extra department? Department number 40. Is it an extra department? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. So if I put a right outer join, all the records from a right table, that means 10, 20, 30, 40, and matching record from left table. Which are the department number in left table? 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 will match, but this 40 will not match with any place. That means
that will come
in those places it will be null, wherever the data are not matching. Let us just see. Select star from, what will happen? EMP A, right join DPT B on what, guys? Can you just tell me? A dot department number equals to B dot
department number.
Department number. So instead of 40, all these values are null or not? Yes. Nothing is there, that means null. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
What is the query for full outer join? Select stars from EMP A, full join DPT B on A dot department number equals to B dot department number. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
There is one more way to write this left outer join using equal to method. Select star from EMP A, comma what? DPT B, where what, guys? A dot department number equals to B dot department number, and here you have to give a plus sign. Plus sign means what? It is a left outer join. And if I give the same plus sign on the left hand side, it will become what? A right outer join. Select start from EMP A DPT B, where A dot department number, here you have to write a plus sign, and then you have to write what, guys? B dot department number. This is what? Right outer join. Full outer join, we cannot give plus sign on the both hand side. So we use an operator called as union. I will tell you what is union. As of now, we'll get the data from both the tables. So EMPA, DPT, B, where A dot department number equals to B dot department number, give a plus sign, and then you have to write union select star from EMPA, comma DPT B, where A dot department number, and then you have to give a plus sign here, equals to B dot department number, and you have to execute. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Is clear, but it is too big, long query.
What is the long? You have written left outer join here, and you have written the right outer join here, and then in between you have written a union. Then what is the? It's a big query, huh? You have not seen big queries. You will learn now. This is just a simple query.
Okay.
Now I have just started the building your blocks. Then you will see the queries. So let us just start, guys. Using that method, equal to method, just tell me the query. Select star from EMPA. Tell me. Comma DPT B, where what? A dot department number equals to what? B dot department number. Where will be the plus sign? Plus sign. Right outer join, can you just tell me? Select star from EMPA, comma DPT B, where what? A dot department number. Then you have to give a plus sign. You have to write B dot department number. And then, guys, this is right outer, this is left outer join, this is right outer join. And then if I want full outer join, what I will do? Can you just tell me? I'll use a union operator. Yes or no, guys?
So the first one is left outer join. The plus sign is on the right side.
Yes, this is left outer join. This is right, right outer join. And this is what? Full outer join.
Okay.
Last one is the Cartesian joint, guys. It is based on the Cartesian product. Okay. It is based on the Cartesian product. If you remember in your life, there is something called as sets. You have passed class 12. All of you would have passed definitely. 1, 2, and 3. This is set A. This is set B. Okay. So set B is having a 2 and 4. So now if I do set A multiplied by set B, okay? Set A into set B, what will be the output, guys? Can you think? Yes, tell me what will be the output.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, 1 will be multiplied to what first? 2, yes or no? Then what will be next output? 1 will be multiplied to what? 4. 2 will be multiplied to what? 2. 2 will be multiplied to what? 4. 3 will be multiplied to what? 2. 3 will be multiplied to what? 4. Total output is what? 6. Yes or no, guys? 6. So how many elements are there in this query? How many elements are there? 3. How many elements are there in this query? In this query, how many elements are there?
2. Hello?
Yeah. How many elements are there in this query? 2. This is called order of the elements. What is the order? We'll tell the word. Order is 3. What is the order of set B? What is the order?
2.
So set A into set B will be order of A into order of B. That means the output will be 3 into 2. That is equals to what? 6. Am I clear, guys? Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
That means all the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of table 2. Cartesian product means what? All the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of which table, guys? Table 2. Fine, guys. That means what will happen? Tell me now. And now, guys, the syntax is what? Select star from EMP, Cartesian Joint, DPT. This is one way. Next way is just select star from EMP, DPT. This is what is all the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of table 2. That is what is the Cartesian product. That means there's a two table. There is a table EMP and there is a table called as what, guys? DPT. Fine, guys. Now, if I want to multiply these two tables, what will I write? I'll use a Cartesian product. What is that? Select star from EMP. What I will write? Cross join DPT. How many records are there in table 1? Can you just tell me? How many records are there in table 1?
14.
How many records are there in table 2? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the output? 14 into 4 is how many? How much? 14 into 4 is how many? 56. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
This is one way. Another way is select star from EMP, comma, what? EMP, comma, what, guys? DPT. EMP, comma, DPT. 56. Cartesian product means what, guys? All the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of table 2.
Okay.
So non-equi joint, we join the table using operator other than equal to. If we join two tables using any other operator apart from equal to, like greater than, example what? Example greater than, comma, less than, comma, between, comma, greater than equal to, comma, less than equal to, then we will use, then it is called as non-equi joint. That means there's a table EMP and there's a table cell grade. Now, if I want to join these two tables, what is the joining condition? Can you just think? Can you just think, Anu? Can you just think how these two tables can be joined? I told you joining is always done based on the data, not based on the column name. Which is the column? Which are the data which are matching? Tell me. Anu.
700.
That means what? Salary column can be matched to low salary and high salary. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So I can write what? This salary between what? This and this range. That means select star from EMP A, comma what? Sal grade S, where A dot sal between S dot low sal and S dot high sal. This is called as non-equi joint. In non-equi joint, we don't use operator equal to. Apart from that, we can use between, we can use less than, greater than, all these operators we can use.
Okay.
That is called as what, guys? Non-equi joint. So today we have completed the topic called as joints. What are the joints we learned? First we learned what? Equi joint. What is equi joint? It returns the matching record between the tables. It returns the matching records between the tables. Wherever the data are matching in the tables, the table will be joined. And then we learned something called as self joint. What is self joint? Joining a table to itself is called as self join. And then we learned a query that if I want to find the employee and their respective manager, then I have written what? A dot mgr equals to b dot employee. Then we learned outer join. In that we learned left, right, and full outer join. Left outer join means all the records from left table and matching record from the right table. What is right outer join? All the records from right table and matching records from left table. Full outer join, all the records from both the tables.
Both tables.
Then we learned Cartesian joint. What is Cartesian joint? It gives the Cartesian products between the two tables. That means all the records from table 1 will be multiplied to what? All the records of table 2. Then we learn non-equi joint. What is non-equi joint? We join the table using operators other than equal to. We can use less than, greater than, between, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, all these operators. Then it is called as non-equi joint. This closes your joints topic, guys. Tomorrow we will meet